welcome back to my channel. My name is Anjani and this is my YouTube channel if you are a new subscriber here. So in today's video, if you haven't already read by the title, which I probably think you would have, so today we are going to be doing a funny sort of a tag video. So today's video is going to be a would you rather tag. If you are not familiar with this tag, it's basically you have two options, this or that, and you have to choose which one would you prefer. And I have given a twist on this challenge. Basically you can obviously most of the YouTubers, what they do, they just search on the Google और जो भी questions they उनको मिलता है, they just search it and answer them. But I have made a change. I have these questions over here which are given to me by my friend. So I contacted one of my friends. She's a beauty influencer again. So I told her to give me certain this or that sort of a question or would you rather questions, which can be funny but they are beauty related. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video because I haven't gone through the questions. These questions are written by my mom, so I haven't still gotten through, and I can see there are some gross questions over here. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Do share it with your friends and family and get entertained and entertain them at the same time. And I really hope you guys enjoy, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so there are a total of 12 questions, so we have to move fast. So the first question is would you rather pick a foundation which is 2 shades darker or 2 shades lighter? I don't mind any of those because if it's a darker foundation, I'll just highlight it using my concealer, and if it is a darker if it is a lighter foundation, I can just use a lot of contouring and just contour my face. So I don't really mind. So that was my first answer. Second, sneeze every time you put on mascara, always have lipstick on your teeth. If I'm allowed to clean afterwards, I'm fine with both of them, to be honest. But the grossest is to have lipstick on your teeth all the time. So I would prefer sneeze every time when you put on some mascara. So I can just control my mascara. जब भी मुझे लगा मैं छीपूंगी, I can just put the wand back. So the first one. Third question is have your favorite palette smash on the floor, or have your favorite lipstick to be discontinued? Oh god, this is a tough one. Have your favorite palette smashed on the floor, which is something that has happened to me a lot, and trust me guys, I have cried the entire day. I broke my best highlighter. I broke my champagne pop once on the floor and it was brand new, and trust me, I cried the hell out of my house. And I just got a new highlighter that day. That was my newish highlighter. I hadn't used also. So obviously I am fine with my favorite lipstick getting discontinued, but not my palette getting destroyed on the floor. Fourth question is have your eyeliner wings never match or your eyebrows never match? I guess my eyeliner wings never match is way better than not getting my eyebrows matched. If my eyebrows are snatched, I'm snatched. So I don't mind getting my eyeliner. It's okay. Eyeliner अगर ठीक नहीं हुआ तो चलेगा, but eyebrows तो मुझे ठीक चाहिए ही चाहिए. Even though my eyebrows are not on fleek today because of this quarantine lockdown, किया हुआ कुछ नहीं है मुँह पे इसके लिए. Whatever. Next question is only be able to apply all your makeup with your fingers or with your brushes when you are drunk. Girl, you got me. Okay, so apply, the question is, I'll repeat it once again. Only be able to apply all your makeup with your fingers or apply your makeup when you are drunk. Brushes when you're drunk, I guess, because ब्रशेस और मैं अगर ऐसे की तो भी मेरा मेकअप तो ब्लेंड हो रहा है. फिंगर्स के साथ आई डोंट फील इट्स हाइजीनिक, और कोरोना के टाइम तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. भले खुद के फिंगर्स ऊपर नको. Always have your makeup look like it does at the end of the night, or have to do your makeup in the bad light. I guess always have your makeup look like it does at the end of the night, I guess, because मेरा मेकअप जब भी मैं if I keep it for 24 hours, my makeup मेरी या फिर लिपस्टिक निकल जाती है, which I can always retouch up, and my foundation fades a little bit. So that's okay. So I guess apply, always have your makeup look like it does at the end of the night. So I'll choose that. Clumsy spider lashes or unblended eyeshadows? None. I would pick none of this, but if I had to pick one, I would suggest Clumsy Spider Lashes. So because unblended eyeshadow is not my thing, I want my shadows to be blended properly. So I guess Clumsy Spider Lashes तो भी मैं एक बार झेल लूँ, पर unblended eyeshadow now my thing. Okay, next question. Give up your eye makeup or lip makeup. This is tough one. आई मेकअप जाने दूँ या लिप मेकअप जाने दूँ, लिपस्टिक जाने दूँ या आई शेडो जाने दूँ. आई गेस गिव अप ऑन आई मेकअप, दैट्स ओके. Lipstick, if I have a dark lip, I can make it as a statement, but if I have nothing on my eye, if I have something on my eyes and nothing on my lips, that's not good. So I would give up my eye makeup. Be banned for life from MAC or Sephora. Fish, none of them, because both are my favorite brands. But if I had to choose one, I would get banned from MAC. That is okay because Sephora में बहुत सारे options है. Dior है, अभी तो Too Faced भी आ चुका है, Becca है, तो I guess MAC को मुझे bye bye बोलना पड़ेगा. Next question is, spend a day with lipstick on your teeth or spend a day wearing wonky fake eyelashes. Wonky fake eyelashes will do because we can make it as a trend. You never know किसको कौन कभी कुछ देख ले और बोले ए भाई इसके lashes तो बहुत यूनिक है, चलो इसको ट्रेंड बना देते हैं. तो क्या पता कुछ भी हो सकता है. Next question is, lose your eyelashes in a tragic color accident or accidentally wax off any eyebrow. भाई इसमें से तो मैं कुछ भी प्रेफर ना करूँ, कुछ भी नहीं. But if I have to choose, I would choose my lashes to get, I have to lose all my lashes because I have done that apparently when I was just starting off with the makeup. तो मैंने apparently मेरे eyelashes को उड़ा ही दिया था. Luckily मेरे eyelashes वापस आ गए जल्दी, पर बहुत बुरा experience था. The last question we have, oh thank God, never have to wash your face again, which is very but never have to brush your teeth again. Obviously never have to wash your face again or never have to brush your teeth again. भाई ये दोनों चीज़ बहुत ग्रोस है जो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करूँगी. तो मैं I would choose none of the above because both are the grossest thing. और कोरोना है तो हमें सेफ रहना है और क्लीन रहना है. तो भाई मैं इसमें से कुछ नहीं चूज करूंगी. एंड दैट वाज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन यू गाइस एंड वी आर डन. दैट वाज अ वेरी फन एंड अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट ओवर हियर. आई रियली होप यू गाइस एंजॉयड द वीडियो एंड इफ यू डिड नॉट फॉरगेट टू गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. द लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो एंड ऑल्सो हिट द बेल आइकन. तो आपको हमेशा नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए कि मैंने अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो पोस्ट करी है. एंड आई रियली होप यू गाइस आर एंजॉयिंग माय मेकअप बेसिक्स 101 series. If you haven't already seen that, I will have it on the I button somewhere on the screen. It's basically where I share with you guys how to do your makeup from scratch. So from foundation to skincare to eyeshadow and everything. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog also that I have done. If you haven't already seen that, I also have in the I button somewhere on the screen, so you can go and check this out. Also don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. Again, the link is in the description box below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoy and found this a very fun, interesting concept because I had fun answering them to you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I would see you guys next time in my next video. And also I will have all the questions whatever I answered in the description box below. So if you want to shoot this video, you can shoot it and just tag me on my Instagram or just tag me on my YouTube account. I would love to see your creations. And yeah, that's enough of blabbering, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. And I love you guys. Take care, be safe, keep on sanitizing your hands, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.